Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove transparent background in Photoshop step by step for any transparent object. First of all, open your Photoshop, then open your image, right click, background eraser tool, use sample on, limit, discontinuous, tolerance, or use up to 20%. Then again use tolerance 40%, press enter, then click anywhere, remove background easily. Resize your size pointer, selection size pointer. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.